Hey there, imagine you are learning something new, like a piece of puzzle. Well, reported speech can be a tricky puzzle for students with a lot of pieces to figure out. You see, reported speech like learning a special way to talk about what someone else said. But sometimes it feels like finding your way through a maze with a map. Without a map, changing word and tense can be confusing. But don't worry, we have here to make it easy. In this video, we will learn the secrets of reported speech. We turn those tricky pieces into simple steps. By the end of this video, you will not only understand reported speech but also using a really good. It's like turning a hard puzzle into a fun game. We are here to help you every step of the way, so join us to solve the puzzle of reported speech together. So let's get started. We will make learning reported speech not just easy but also enjoyable. So let's get started. The basic. Imagine you are having a conversation with your friend Jenny and she said, "I love ice cream." In this reported speech, we don't always repeat exactly Jenny words. Instead, we say, Jenny said she loves ice cream. See what we did here. Let's break down the rules. Rule number 1. When reporting someone's speech, we often change the pronouns. For example, Jenny said, "I am going to the store." So, in reported speech, we said, Jenny said she was going to the store. Rule number 2. We often need to change the tense of the verb. So, Jenny, I will visit the museum tomorrow. So, in reported speech, we said, Jenny said she would visit the museum the next day. Rule number 3. We use reported verb to introduce the reported speech. For example, Jenny, I adore chocolate. So, instead of saying, we said, Jenny exclaimed that she adores chocolates. So, but what the question and commands? Reported questions and commands. Jenny, have you finished your homework? We say, Jenny asked if I had finished my homework. Now let's practice a bit. Jenny said, I can swim. How would you report that in direct speech? Jenny said that she could swim. Good job. So, reported speech is like telling a story within a story in news reports, books, interviews, and everyday conversations. And there you have it, the adventure of reported speech. We hope you enjoy the journey of the word, of language, and communication. Until next time, keep practicing your reported speech and remember the power of words is not just in speaking them but in how we share them with the word. Stay curious and keep exploring.